Pastor, kala ko ba paglilingkod sa Panginoon, masaya, no? Oh, there's joy in serving Jesus. Amen? Pero yung joy na yon hindi circumstantial. Inward yon. So that even in the midst of hardships and sufferings, we can still serve the Lord with joy in our hearts. Kung sasabihin natin, ang mas importante sa akin, hindi yung buhay ko, pero yung Panginoon at yung kalooban ng Panginoon para sa buhay ko. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying your life, your family, your work are not valuable. They are. Okay? Mahalaga yun. No? And we must be good and faithful stewards of all of those things na in-entrust sa atin ng Panginoon. But what I'm saying is, pag dumating sa point na we have to choose Christ over all of these things, dapat makita yung choice natin si Christ. Bakit? From the very beginning, we valued Him or we have seen Him as our supreme treasure sa buhay natin.